Samsung Insider Ice Universe has posted another image taken by the in-release Galaxy S23 Ultra to show how it compares to its predecessor Galaxy S22 Ultra and Google's latest flagship phone, the Pixel 7 Pro. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is pretty much confirmed to ditch the S22 Ultra's 108MP main sensor for a monstrous 200MP camera with a bigger aperture. Ice had previously posted a photo comparison between the S22 Ultra and 23 Ultra to show how the two sensors stacked up against each other, and the S23 Ultra undoubtedly produced a markedly better image. The Samsung CAD is back with another comparison via notebook check, but this time a Pixel 7 Pro image has also been included to give us a better picture of how the S23 Ultra fares against the two phones. The three phones were used to snap a picture of what looks like a pumpkin and a papaya, and Ice first asked his followers which picture they liked the most after zooming in, without revealing which picture was taken by which phone. An overwhelming majority of users voted for the first image, which was taken by the S23 Ultra. While it's no surprise that the S23 Ultra did a better job than the S22 Ultra, what's more interesting is that it has preserved fine details like the ridges and the lines on the fruits better than the Pixel 7 Pro, which happens to be one of the best recent camera phones. A higher megapixel sensor has an edge over a lower resolution unit like the Pixel 7 Pro's main 50MP camera when it comes to digital zoom. That's because a camera with a higher megapixel count preserves enough details to ensure that individual pixels don't become indiscernible when you zoom into a picture. So, even though the Pixel 7 Pro has lost to the S23 Ultra in this particular comparison, it doesn't show the full picture, and it remains to be seen if the S23 Ultra's 200MP unit's smaller pixels will make it lose to sensors with bigger pixels, which can theoretically capture more light. Regardless of how the S23 Ultra does against its immediate competition, the 200MP camera sounds very exciting and is sure to wow photo buffs. Ice had previously said that this would be the biggest improvement in years. The other three sensors will remain unchanged, so we can expect a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x zoom, and a 10MP periscope unit with 10x zoom. The phone is rumored to have the same 6.8 inches screen and 5,000 mAh battery as the outgoing model, but will be powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip and may feature a new front-facing camera. There is also a probability that it will be more expensive than the S22 Ultra.